So Leo, did you figure out what was the issue?
Well, what I did, and I'm not sure if it completely fixed it, but what I did was I made a student object to like pop the
Okay.
stack,
Yes.
and
Okay.
then the grade integer I got from that object,
Perfect.
and then yeah,
And then you use that object to insert to push it inside the empty
yeah,
stack,
and then
right?
I pushed using that object. Yes.
Okay. Did you create another method in the main calling function to be able to display the empty stacks that we already pushed to make sure that we already pushed the higher grades inside?
Yeah, I should do that.
Okay, perfect. But you don't need to repeat that again, Leo. You can still use the functions that you already created. You can use display stack one or display stack only, and you just call it from here and pass it the empty stack. Okay, good. Okay, so from all the grades that we see only the 90 and 92 for Jane and Bob, right? Is
Yeah,
correct, right?
yeah.
Okay, perfect. So that is great. Yeah. So before we leave here, I want to tell you that we need to actually do something towards the display stack function. So can you go out to the display stack? Yeah. So I would say here, so Leo, um, the point here that um, when we popped up this student stack, so after you display, you call the display stack. If I try to run another function of displaying the student stack, it will be empty. Do you know why?
Yeah, because it pops
You
all of
already
them.
popped up. Okay, perfect. So I would like you to be able to fix that issue, because when we are displaying the stack, it doesn't mean that we want to empty the stack. So we would like to create an empty stack inside empty student stack, and this empty student stack should actually catch up all the popped up. So this is temporary. Before you go again inside the while loop and pop up another student, I would like my empty stack to actually get the um, temporary student variable or object that I already created. By doing so, I somehow I'm popping up, yes, all of the student stack, but I'm catching them somewhere because it's only for display that we are doing. And then somewhere inside my code, after I finish this while loop, okay, I will do another loop, another while loop, but for the empty. And I will populate, do you know what's mean populate?
Yeah.
I will populate the student stack again with all what I have pushed inside the empty stack. Do you get what I say?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you like to share with me what you are trying to do?
Yeah, so it would have to, I'd have to put it back in after that while loop, right? So,
Yeah.
okay, I see. But what would I have to put in the while loop then
Okay.
afterwards?
Yes, I will answer you after you give me what do you think? After once we reach this line, can you put a print statement? After so on the line 13, yes, put a print statement and put student size. Print student size. And at the same time, also print the empty stack size. When you print two things, put double quotation and dash in between, so at least we can. Yes. You can just copy this first. Copy this and put it here. Copy this. Not students is empty. This one.
Oops.
No. I mean, I'm talking about this line. Just copy the whole line here, this one, and put it here.
This line?
Yes. And put it, yeah, instead of that, yes. Okay. You just didn't like it that we kept it empty. So again, the thing is we get 0 and 2, right? Liu?
Yes.
Okay, so we get 0 and 2. It should not be 2. Empty should not be 2, but um, it should be more. Am I right? Because somehow, Liu, are you calling the correct? Liu. Okay, Liu. No, wait, Liu. I would like you to put that here. This display stack should be before we yes. Do you know why I'm saying like that?
Yeah, because if I do afterwards, then it'll only be the ones with the grades with 90 or above.
Perfect. Okay, then yes, you can run then. Zero, zero. That's interesting. You are pushing here temporary and somehow, let me see. That's quite strange. I would like to. That's strange. Can you put? Um, can you put any print statement here? I would like to understand more why this is happening. This is a weird behavior.
Anything? Or
Yeah, anything just to. But I wanted in line after line 11 inside the top for loop.
oh, inside the top loop?
Yes, after line 11 here. So I would like to know why this is showing.
Wait, just because I just
Okay. Now, okay, that makes sense. Okay. Okay, so yeah, and now, what I want to see here that this is so the student stack become empty and the empty stack become 5. So it means that when you do the while loop, you are not able to put that same condition anymore because that will be it's already empty. You cannot do the while loop will never execute actually. So it means that when you do this while, you have to use that empty instead of students. Does this make sense to you? This is actually, yes, we have gone through a long story to be able to tell you that information, but at least this will stick somehow.
yeah.
Can you run them? Okay, so okay, good. I would like you also to yes, print display stack after. So you go down. Okay, so yes, copy it also under here. Yes. May I know what could be the issue then? Mhm. So is it the issue in the transfer grades or in what exactly? Do you have explanation?
Well, if the issue was with the transfer high grades, then actually never mind. Yeah, if I think it is with the transfer high grades because that pops everything in the student's stack, so that will cause there to be nothing in there anymore.
Okay, so put another display stack, please, but for the empty stack. Does this make sense?
Yes, yes.
Okay, then we are done here. So yes, off your sharing, please. Let me share my screen. I think you can see my screen. So
Yep.
I would like you also, if I would like to find the highest grade in a stack, what should I do? So if I would like you to create a function, find a maximum grade, and it takes a student stack, okay, and it returns the highest grade. Is this doable?
Yes.
Okay, and so I would still, so okay, so that we don't have to keep switching on and off again. So the last exercise that we would like to do on the stacks is after finding the maximum grade, I would like to find a way to remove something from the stack. So we would like to remove a student from the stack. So we will be giving the stack of students and the name of the students that we would like to remove. And then you will return here a Boolean. So if you manage to remove, so you will return true. If you didn't manage to, you return false. Okay. So I will send you these two slides, one for the remove and one for the finding max grade or the maximum grade or the highest grade. And then you start to do that.
Yep.
Okay. So I will stop here. I will print this. Start sharing, please, because it takes some while to be able to do that. Why do you think he doesn't recognize the maximum grade?
Oh, because it's only declared within the while loop.
Excellent. Okay, so how can you solve that? This is line 47. Here you say he cannot find simple student.pop. So compare this to this. Just bear in mind that when you call that you didn't actually print anything. So yes, you run without errors, but again, print statement is needed.
That's not right.
Mhm. So just tell me what do you think, because
I think it's better to just pop at the beginning instead of doing this. I think that's the problem here. Oh, wait, also because
mhm.
yeah, it outputs just this one every time. So
Again, sorry, again, what did you say?
it just it just outputs this one the 85 every time, which isn't the correct answer. So
Uh-huh. Can you put some print statement to know actually what's going on, and when is the maximum grade is actually incremented? Without that, we will be thinking blindly.
Oh wait, I did it the other way around.
Yes, you you reverse it, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Now I have to maintain the stack as well. Because right now it pops through the whole thing, so I'd have to fix
Exactly.
that now.
Yes. So, but again, you have done that in the display stack. Can you copy the same? So the same solution that you have done here to maintain the stack, you just need to use it again. So this one, two, sorry, no, this two, and this is three. So this is the parts that you would like to reuse again. But before you copy, you understand what I'm trying to tell you.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we close and open again.